During the First and Second World Wars, tens of millions were displaced. They fled from bombs, persecution, and the ruins of nations.
Run! The bombs are falling!
Where is my school? Where is my home? My son! My son!
1939 to 1945, the world was at war again. On one side, the Allies, Britain, Soviet Union, the United States, China, France. On the other, the Axis, Germany, Italy, Japan. 70 million lives lost, cities reduced to rubble, families torn apart, schools destroyed, dreams silenced. But humanity rose from the ruins. 1945. The United Nations was born, so no nation would stand alone. 1948. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a promise of dignity for all. From destruction, we built cooperation. From war, we dreamed of peace.
We will learn again.
We will heal the hungry.
We will rebuild together. The horrors of World War II opened the world's eyes to the need for peace and justice. Millions of innocent lives were lost, and humanity promised never to repeat such cruelty. The Human Rights Official music video carries that same message, reminding us through powerful words and images that we are all equal and that peace, compassion, and respect are the true lessons learned from the war. In this inspiring performance, 127 students of grade 11 and 12 science come together to express these values through a powerful and moving dance.
You got Everyone everywhere.